Hello everyone. I want to walk you through how to add learning outcomes to your courses in Canvas. You get started. Can be either way. If you have done this before and you've copied a class over, they may already be in there if you've never done it before. Mine are already in here, but I can still show you how to do it. So you just click over here on Outcomes and see mine are listed right here. So if yours are in the course already, they're going to be right here and you can click on them to see what they are. If they are not, you want to go to Find, and then you go to Account Standards, and then South Mountain Community College, and then your division. So my division is LA, and if I'm looking for the CRE 101 outcomes, which is what this class is, I would click the outcome 1. I'm not going to actually click it because it's already in my class, but you would go through and then you would add all 3 of the outcomes. You do have to do them one at a time, but then they would be in your class. Okay, so once you do that, they're in there and it's easy enough. You'll see them over here once they're in. And each time you're adding a new outcome, you just do that same click path going back to Find and add each outcome individually. Okay, and then if I want to add these to an assignments that are already in there, say perhaps. Okay, so I'm going to click on this one because I don't think it has one, right? Good. Okay, so I'm going to be creating a rubric, okay? And the first thing I want to do is find an outcome. So if I want to add in the course outcomes, the learning outcomes for the course, I just click, we can look at each one. Which one do I want to have in there? Okay, so say I pick outcome 3, I'm going to import that into my rubric, and you'll see they're automatically given 5 points for exceeds expectation, 3 for meets, and 0 for does not meet. You can create a rubric with only your learning outcomes on it if you know that that's what you want to be measuring with that assignment. Um, you can add it to one that you already have. You just edit the rubric that you have. Or you can create a brand new rubric for an assignment. Like this one didn't have one. So if I wanted to put other things on here, you just edit the descriptions on here. But if I want to, add another outcome, I just go back to Find Outcome. Maybe I add the second one this time. I'll import that to my rubric, and they're automatically on there. So when you're grading the assignment, you can automatically grade for your learning outcomes, and you can put this on as many assignments as you want or as few assignments as you want. But the good thing is that at the end, you'll have the results when you are done with the course, and you can assess your learning outcomes pretty easily. And really, that is how you do it. And if you have any other questions, please reach out to myself, Jennifer Avila, or Marianne Smith, as we are the co-chairs for I Teach Smart, and we would be happy to help you set this up in your own Canvas course. Thank you. Have a great day.